All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix green wise chicken. We're using some extra virgin olive oil, ground black pepper, sea salt, smoked paprika, honey, chili powder, minced garlic, garlic powder, ginger juice, and brown sugar. Also, we're going to use some soy sauce too, folks. I didn't put it in the shot. I forgot it, but we are going to use soy sauce, so make sure you add soy sauce to this recipe. All right, so that's what we're going to use. So let's get started. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients for this recipe, and I've cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So these are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to season our chicken. So we're going to first take our olive oil and we're going to pour it over our chicken. Next, add your black pepper, then your smoked paprika. Next, your sea salt, and lastly, your garlic powder. Then you want to give this a good mix to combine all the ingredients and coat the chicken. This is how it looks. Let's move on. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to line our baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray our grates with cooking spray. So, of course, you guys always know this is for easy cleanup. The aluminum foil and the cooking spray is so your chicken doesn't stick to the pan. So go ahead, line your cooking sheet and also spray your grates, and we'll move on. All right, so what we're going to do now is add our chicken pieces to our pan. As always, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to let your chicken overcrowd your pan. And once you've placed all your chicken pieces on your pan, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take these beauties and place them in the oven. And the oven has already been preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to stick them in the oven and allow them to cook for 50 minutes. 25 minutes on one side, 25 minutes on the other side. Again, we always like to cook our chicken evenly on both sides. So go ahead, place your chicken in the oven, set your timer, and we'll move on. All right, so now it's time to prepare this delicious sauce. Man, this sauce is real good. So what you want to do is you want to add your minced garlic to an empty dish, add your soy sauce, add your ginger juice, add your chili powder, next your brown sugar, and lastly, your honey. Now you want to give this a good mix to combine. Now we're going to set this mixture aside and allow the ingredients to incorporate. And what we're going to do after the wings, right before the wings are done cooking, we're just going to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. And this is what you'll have, and we'll move on. So our 25 minutes are up. So we're going to pull these pieces out just a little bit so we can turn them and allow them to cook on the other side for the remaining 25 minutes. Remember, we always cook our chicken evenly on both sides. So go ahead, turn your chicken pieces over, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now our chicken is done. We're going to pull these bad babies out, and we're going to place them on the counter and take a look at them. Take a look at these beauties, guys. This is how you want your wings to look. Nice and juicy, crispy. All right, so let's move on. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer these chicken pieces from our pan over to a clean bowl. That way we can get ready to start the saucing process. So remove your chicken pieces, add them to the bowl, and I'll see you in the next step. All right, now guys, as I mentioned, I microwaved the mixture for about 30 to 45 seconds. Give it a quick stir. And what you want to do is you want to pour your sauce over your wings. Again, you don't have to use all of it, but I think I'm going to pour all of it over my wings. Get your lid, cover it, and you know you want to shake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it. Remove your lid, and this is what we got, guys. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take those chicken pieces and we're going to add them back to our pan. We want to caramelize the sauce onto the wings. So we're going to stick them back in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. I like them to be crispy and sticky. So this process is going to allow that. So go ahead, stick them back in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, and we'll see you in the next step. And this is what we got, guys. You see the difference? You see how the sauce is now coated on the wings? Now you got that sticky taste. This is what you want, guys. So what you want to do now is take a clean plate, and what we're going to do is we're going to transfer those wings from the pan over to this clean plate. All right, so go ahead, transfer your wings, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what you want to do next is you want to take the leftover sauce that was in the bowl, and you just want to spoon the remaining of that sauce over your wings for some additional flavor. You don't have to do that. You can't eat them right out the oven like they are now. But me, I'm going to add that additional sauce, and I'm telling you guys, this is going to bring out that extra flavor. You want to do this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chopped parsley. And you don't have to add chopped parsley. This is only for presentation, but take a look at it, guys. All right, let's move on to the last step. And what do you know? Honey garlic wings. Guys, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at this, guys. This is how your wings are supposed to look. This is how your wings are supposed to look. This is how your wings are supposed to look. I said that 3 times, guys, because if your wings don't look like this, you're not cooking them right. Or the person who you're getting them from, they're not cooking them right. Come to All Wings Everything and learn how to cook delicious wings. Take a look at this, guys. All right. So now it's time to do a little quality control on these wings. So I'm going to grab me one. These wings are amazing. They're absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. You could taste the garlic, and of course you could taste the honey. They're absolutely delicious, folks. All right, everyone. It's time for me to sit at this table, pull up a chair, and get my eat on. I'm glad you guys stuck with me throughout this video. And guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, share it, comment. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. I'm out. Peace.